Hi friends, this is a HomeMall Happy Easter pack. You can see this is a wood Easter eggs, and then this says like the 3+ year-old kids. So this comes in a good like plastic box, colored one. I'm just opening it to see like what's inside it, and you can see it here that there is a small carrot, look like a stuffy carrot for play for kids, and there are like the one looks like a metal egg shell like a storage box, the other metal egg shell storage box, and then looks like some wooden eggs, 3 different color wooden eggs, and this is like one small rabbit like the plastic one with a keychain on it. Looks like a fun for play. There is a small card that says thank you card, and I think it's like giving all the emails for this particular seller on Amazon. That's a nice message. It says like for the warranty or any defect. You can see like these are all the wooden eggs. This is a very good painted one, solid eggs. It cannot be open or something. It's like just like a solid egg to play or decorate. There is a one with the blue, the shiny blue, and then one is as a red. All like the shiny colors. I like the colors. I don't see any spot or anything in the coloring here. And then it's a little like the metal, I think is a case. Let me just open this one, and then here you can see this is like the shiny metal inside. 2 pieces, and you can just lock them together. You can put some candies or some surprise gift inside. That will be a little fun for the kids. And here you can see the design, the colors, paint. I like the paints and the color. Don't see any spot, any white spot, anything in this box. Is pretty good and cool. I'm just trying to do it because it need to be fit properly. Let me just try fitting it properly. Here, like when you see like it's fit properly, you cannot see any like the gap or something. The same is the second metal piece, the metal shell egg, and his is like a little pink on the one side, and then it is like the bunny color on the other side. It's a 2 different colors, like a pink and I think is a creamish white color, but you can see it's very similar to the previous one. The same metal, good casing. It's for the surprise, or put any candies or something to find for the kids, or for the decoration purpose. Will be locked in the same manner. You can see here like no gap anything, so pretty good. Here is like a stuffy carrot. Let me just open this one. I think this is just for fun for the play and other things. You can see it's a stuffy carrot. It's like a squishy, and then it's like little like a plastic piece inside for the quickie sound, like there's a small sound for the kids and things if they push it. This like all pretty good, and this is one is I think is a small like plastic or rubber rabbit. I should show you let time stop. I trying to like click it here and there. You can move his head. I don't think like it do something, but it is just for fun to move the head. The quality wise good, paint is good, the coloring is no issue, and this is little like the hang on for that. So again, for the decoration purpose, pretty good stuff. This is this is all like the decoration purpose items and just for fun for the Easter egg or Easter day for kids. I will just show like what's totally inside in the whole package one, and then I'm just almost done with this things. So this is the everything in here.